Let me introduce you to the Viviva Colorsheets. Viviva Colorsheets are watercolor pigments that have been infused onto a sheet of paper. What I like to do is I'll take the color and I'll just put a little bit of dab there so I understand what color it is that I'm getting. They're all separated by a sheet of almost like a waxish type paper so that the colors don't bleed into each other. You can see I've used my set here. Let me show you how this works. So take a wet brush. You can either just take a regular brush or you can take a water brush because this is meant for traveling. You can see how compact this is. For traveling, this would fit in your purse. It would fit in a shirt pocket. Here, I'm going to dip my brush in water and I'm just touching the surface of the paint to pick up the color. And there I am. I can paint. And that applies for all the different colors here. Let's try this vermilion. And it's just a touch. You don't have to keep pressing onto it. It's really just a touch of the paper. Here we go with Persian blue. And voila, your watercoloring. Violet. A really practical way to take your watercolors when you're traveling. This one carries 20 colors. There's about 3 different sets, including a metallic set, a spring set, and these will last you a long time. You can make a whole batch of this color if you're wanting to paint and stuff as well. Touch it on there, put it into a palette, and you can mix up actually a whole pot of that particular color if you're wanting to have a bunch of it, say for a background or something like that. There you go. And you can use it that way as well. But the Viviva Colorsheets are a great way to transport watercolors. Doesn't take up a lot of room. This, a sketchbook, and a brush or a water brush is all you need.